So you're ready to take over the world and optimize your website, but we need to think about the basics. What are the key elements to maximizing an effective SEO audit? This is a great topic, right? Because you want to build your foundation. It's just like building a home. Before you get to the pretty stuff and you decorate the interior, you need to build your foundation. It's the same thing with SEO. You need to build the foundation of your website before you get to all the cool, sexy things like content, reviews, and external credibility. So the fundamentals of an SEO audit are the basics. Does your website load quickly? Is it mobile friendly? And there's all sorts of great tools. Well, some of my favorite tools that I like to use, and there's two that my team uses for audits. One is Link Assistant. They have a great tool called SEO Power Suite. Now within SEO Power Suite, there's all sorts of different tools, but the one that we're talking about that's applicable for audits is called Website Auditor. What it's going to do is it's going to tell you what web pages have broken images, dead links, broken interconnected links, missing title tags, unoptimized meta descriptions, all the basics, right? Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. Now, a lot of these things don't matter as much as they used to, but SEO is basically like who can juggle a lot of little things the most consistently. And so all these little things are what matter. So go through and do a really thorough audit on your website structure, fix broken links, fix dead pages. Also use a website called gtmetrics.com. That's going to tell you if your page loads quickly, and if it loads slowly, what is causing the bottleneck. Now, the quicker your page loads, the better the user experience. The better the user experience, the more Google is likely to rank that website because it makes them look good for recommending it. We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.